Let's start with the tropics, and we're going to take a look, of course, at Tropical Storm Earl, which is pretty far south of us now, and headed into Belize and also the Yucatan Peninsula here. We've tapped into some very rich tropical moisture, but Earl is not having any really direct impact on us. It's way too far south for that. This is an extremely dangerous storm for folks in Nicaragua, Honduras, over into Belize and the Yucatan Peninsula, because it is a huge rainmaker. And this is an area that's very prone to flash flooding and mudslides. So as this storm continues to track to the west at a pretty fast pace, actually moving west at 14 miles per hour, it could pretty quickly become at least a Category 1 hurricane. There are some computer models that have it intensifying very, very quickly, becoming possibly very strong Category 1 storm as it moves toward Belize and over toward the Yucatan Peninsula here, and then eventually possibly making it back out into open water over the southern Gulf of Mexico and re-intensifying after losing some strength when it moves over land and then moving into Mexico here. This area has already had a couple of storms this year that have caused some major damage. So this is a very troubling situation for folks in Central America and over into southern Mexico. Hurricane warnings in effect along the coast of Belize, tropical storm warnings around Honduras and also up around the Yucatan Peninsula here. So rough going down there, something we'll keep you up to date on.